Hello, Mike here. I did a video about me getting this GoPro and that I was going to start using it as my everyday camera. Problem is the microphones on these aren't the greatest. The internal microphones, they're not bad, but they're, they could use a little help. So what I did was I bought a Rode video micro. This will plug into here, actually it won't plug into there. No external microphone will plug into there. So what you need to buy is one of these GoPro adapters. They can be pricey, and I've done a video on this, but it does work. I can plug that into here. As you can see, that plugs in. And then your microphone plugs into the adapter, right? And then I also have this. So with all that, this can get pretty bulky. And well, how do you function like this? Do you got to hold all this while you're recording? I don't think so. So what I did is I bought this. Sorry about that. This is a case, unlike these cases. This case will fit the adapter, as you can see, right into the bottom here, and the microphone goes to a hot shoe on top. And this on Amazon sells for like $15. I've seen them for even more, but I got it at Walmart for I think it was $8.43. So yes, hello kitty. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna take that out and show you how to set this up. This took about, oh gosh, at least 10 days to get, because Walmart buys it from another company, and it came from New Jersey. So that's what it looks like. It's a plastic case, just like the ones you can buy for just the camera itself. And it has actually an extension to make it higher. This makes the hot shoe higher so the microphone is up out of the way. So I'm going to put the camera into there. Let's see how this opens up. I think it slides to the right here. There's a little button you gotta push right here, or a tab where that slides into, and if you push that, this comes out easier. Okay, let's see how snug it fits. Fits pretty good. Oh, and I forgot, you have to take the cover off ahead of time, because I don't think it can lift up when it's in this case, from what I know, from what I've seen on other videos. Anyways, it closes right up and it is good and snug in there. Now let's see how the adapter fits in there. It looks like it will have to slide in this side. I'm going to try it facing forward here. See if this works. And then you plug in. Actually, I think the way they've done it is like this. Kind of twist it so there's less strain on it. There. It plugs in very nicely. See, it's not pushed in all the way. There we go. There we go. Nice and tight. Good fit. Good snug fit. Now, for the microphone, we can plug that in here. And this can go shoe thusly. There you go. Here, let's put a handle on it. See how that works. centered. So, as you can see, this is a lot more compact and put together. Look, you don't have all them wires hanging around. And you can even, back here on the microphone, you can even use one of these slots here to push the cable in so it doesn't move around so much. Still have access to the back of the camera. You turn it on here. Yep. Can still get at my screen. I could put this up more, like that. And that looks pretty good, don't you think? So, that is much better setup. Nice and clean. You can use this now for vlogging. The only thing about vlogging is it doesn't have a screen where you can see yourself, but I know I'm in the picture, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But yeah, this case, $8 at Walmart, free shipping. So don't go to Amazon and buy it at Walmart. It'll take a little longer probably to get, but if it's, you know, if you can wait an extra few days, get it at Walmart. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and comment. Have a nice day.